Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing today? I actually have a fun video. If you guys didn't know, me and Tiffany Dawn are doing a little series, declutter series. So our first video, we actually decluttered stuff and showed you guys what we decluttered. I had a little technical difficulties on my end, so you guys did not get to see everything I sent her. But in part 2, hopefully you guys will see that. What I'm hoping for in part 2 is what I'm going to be doing today. I just got her box in the mail, actually. So I'm going to show you everything she sent me and kind of swatch everything and play with everything. And hopefully you guys will see in her video everything I sent her, because I promise you guys, I sent her something from every category and even a few extra things that she didn't know about that was supposed to be a surprise. So what happened was I was having problems with my my voice was not in sync with the sound. There you go. So when I was going through like the second part of my video, when I was actually decluttering everything and showing you what I sent her and stuff, it was like 30 minutes I had to delete, and I hated that. And even the ending was kind of screwed up because I just wasn't in sync in that part. But the first part of the video was perfect, so you only got to see part of the video. So in the next part, hopefully you guys will be able to see what I sent her. But the third video that we're going to do is we're actually going to be playing with the makeup, doing a get ready with me using all the products, which I'm really excited about. So all the makeup she sent me in here, I'm going to do a get ready with me. All the products I sent her, she's going to do a get ready with me. And we may even do further things with this series. So I'm really excited about it. So if you're not subscribed to her channel, I will link it down below. You need to be following her. You need to be following me so you can see our series. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so she did send me this. This is from AOA Studio. This is a Paw Paw Wonder Blender. I've never used this. These are supposed to be super, like a beauty blender dupe, I guess. They're $1.55. Like, what? I don't think I've ever paid that least amount for a makeup sponge. The cheapest one I ever purchased was from Royal Techniques, and I think they're like $5.99. But yeah, so I'm excited to see if this is really good. So that I'll have to let you guys know. I see something I'm really excited about. I love It Cosmetics. This is the It Cosmetics brush. It feels like butter. And I do like doing my foundation more these days with a sponge, because I feel like when you get older, like, I don't know, your skin just needs that hydration. But I do occasionally use a brush, and sometimes I even do a brush up under my eyes with a concealer or something like that. I could even use this to contour. This feels like a really good contour brush. Like, I do a lot of cream contour. I did that today, actually, if you guys are wondering. I did a cream contour. So this could be pretty much for anything. It feels very buttery soft. Again, this is from It Cosmetics. So I'm really excited to play with this. I'll have to do like I said, a get ready with me and let you guys know how it works. This one is the Smashbox Drawing In Decked Out Spotlight palette. So this is a highlighting palette. Okay, so it has Turn It On Pearl, Crank It Up Pearl, and Blow a Fuse Pearl. I wonder if this is the same thing as the collab with Casey Holmes, because I actually have that palette. But I don't know. I'll have to check into that. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see. And I'll swatch the stuff that I can swatch. So, ooh, that one's really nice. This one's really pretty. Right, so this one is a little more darker, but very bronzy. So I could totally use that over a bronzer. Yeah, these two are more bronzy. Really pretty though. Okay, so hold on. There they are swatched. That first one is gorgeous. And then these two are very bronzy, but I feel like you could go over maybe a matte bronzer and just give your skin some glow. So the first one is called Turn It On Pearl. So I'm excited about that one. That one looks really, really beautiful. You can see that. So really, really pretty. So thank you, Tiffany. This one looks like very promising. Let me find my little wipe, my little towel here. I'm definitely gonna need it. Alright, so this right here, I think is the only thing she sent me I already have in my collection, but I do love it. This is the Wet n Wild 3-in-1, the coconut spray. And I will say I already have this in my collection. I do like it. This is a bronzer from Rimmel. I don't really have a lot of Rimmel bronzers. This is the Maxi bronzer. So it looks like this. Really nice. Let me see the color. So this looks like something. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one right there. That is up my alley. But these are the other two. They're very light. So I think this is probably a bronzer that you would swirl around to get the right tone maybe. Let me swirl it around. Yeah, I love that. That's really pretty because I like a good deep bronzer. I'm not afraid of bronzers, so that's really, really pretty. And right now I'm trying to like do self tanners and all that good stuff. So thank you, Tiffany, for that. This right, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is Laura Geller. This is the, you guys know I love a good blush. I'm a blush hoarder. I love me some blushes. This is the Baked Impression Blush in Bouquet. I think it's gonna be, ooh, this is really pretty. Look at the, like it actually looks like a flower bouquet. That is gorgeous. Okay, so let me swatch that. Ooh, ooh, I love a good dark or deep color. Like, I'm not scared of blushes either. I'm not scared of blushes or bronzers. That is gorgeous. That I think I would get a lot of use out of. So far I think Tiffany did a really good job on picking things out for me. Ooh, okay, so this is a palette, Day to Night, and it says Shadows on the Go. So I've never seen this palette before in my life. So let me figure out how to open it. So I'm excited. I think she said she had one already. Like a lot of these were like duplicates that she's already had in her collection. So she was trying to get rid of them. Okay, so let's see. What is this? Black primer. I'm trying to see if these are all shadows. I think they're all shadows. So you got the top row looks like these right here are just like shimmers. Then you have two mattes right there, and this one looks like it could be a liner, if you will, because it's very, very black. So let me swatch a couple of the shimmers. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is two of the shimmers. Now let's swatch the mattes. There's the two mattes right here, the two shimmers. Now let's swatch the black. Like I said, I think you could use the black in here as a, ooh, oh, okay. This is like a eyeliner. It is wet. It is creamy. So you would use an actual eyeliner brush. And I did a little flick wing today. Or you could do this. I wonder if you could do this like in the waterline. So I'm interested in seeing. I've never used a product like that. So I'm very interested in seeing how that would work. This is really cool. So thank you, Tiffany. I'm excited to play with that. You guys know I love eye masks. I love masks in general. I'm always posting. If I have like a really bad migraine, which I get migraines a lot, I love something very cooling up under the eyes or just to put on my face. So this is the Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. Ooh, self-warming. Okay. The world's kindest eye mask. you leave on for 30 seconds. Okay, so this might be very, very interesting here. I've never had a warming eye mask, so I'll definitely let you guys know. Mommy sees something she likes. I don't know any eye palettes by Fenty Beauty, and she sent me an eye palette. OMG. Okay. I'm very excited about this. I saw this. I think it was on sale, and I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Ooh, the packaging. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. So, ooh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty, guys. Can you just die? Okay. So, I see off the bat gorgeous colors that are calling my name. Like, there's a row. There's, honest to goodness, a row of colors that look like something I would totally do a look with. And I'm going to swatch them right now just to show you the row I'm talking about. Look at those. Those are so freaking pretty. Okay. And then there's another row of like, they're just like golden colors, if you will. There's like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay. Let's try this one. Oh, those are so pretty. This one. Ooh, look at that one. Look at that one. Hello. Okay. These are very pigmented. I haven't heard a whole lot of people talk about Fenty eyeshadows. That's like, I hear about the foundation, the concealers, the powders, the hydrating sprays, but I never hear anything about the palettes. So I'm really excited. I don't own a Fenty palette, so thank you, Tiffany, for this palette. I'm definitely going to get some use out of it. Thank you so much for thinking about me. That's probably the most exciting thing. I would have to say that the thing I'm most excited about in this box is the Fenty shadow. There's still some more goodies in here. Okay, so ooh, I'm excited about this too. Okay, so this is the Artist Couture highlight, guys. Ooh, this one's never been opened. Okay, so this one is in Purple Dream. It's Diamond Glow Powder. So I'm pretty sure this is a highlighter. When we do our Get Ready With Me, I'll be using this as a highlight because that looks gorgeous. Okay, another thing. Ooh, okay, Becca foundation. I don't think I own a Becca foundation, to be honest with you guys. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And she sent me the color. I can't see what color she sent me, but I'm going to swatch this and hope it is, oh, this is very dark. But I can totally mix this with another, this is very full coverage too. This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, so all I would have to do, for instance, like right now, I'm really loving this foundation. This is in my project pan. So I would basically just lighten it up with another foundation. There you go. And I also have one of those foundation, what do you call it? The foundation mixers that's in white that I could totally use as well. So I'm excited to see how I like this, because I do like a good full coverage foundation, especially like if I need my makeup to last a very long time. You guys know that that's like, you need a good full coverage foundation. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so I have a few more products in here. I have, I think, 3 more products that we've got in here. Oh, a brow product. Okay, so this is a NYX brow product right here, guys. This is Fill and Fluff. So one side is a fill-in and the other side is kind of fluffy. And it looks like, and it's in the color taupe, but I have used the Fenty one, and this honestly looks like a Fenty dupe. So let me see if it is. If it is, oh, I almost just cut my finger. Slam off. If it is the Fenty, okay, I'm like really dangerous with scissors. If this is a Fenty dupe, I'm going to be so excited because it's, the Fenty ones are really expensive, and I go through those like candy. Okay, so, ooh, okay, so there is the very like sharp, precise brow, and let's see if the bottom of it looks like the Fenty. Yes, 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 it does. This looks like the Fenty brush that I'm always talking about, you guys. So I'm really excited about this brow product. Oh wow, I didn't know NYX did a dupe for Fenty, so excited about that one. I'm very excited about that one. Woo! Okay, I'm happy. All right, this right here is, I heard about this one. This is the Too Faced Melted Latex. I think this is a highlighter, and it's in the color Unicorn Tears. So I think it's a highlighter. I could be wrong. I think this is a lipstick because it's like very sticky. Wow. Okay. I don't think this was being eyeshadow. No, it's too sticky. So this is like a lip gloss, like just if you want like a what am I trying to say? Like a fluorescent type glow on your lips, then you could use that one. So I'll definitely have to play with this. We'll have to figure out a kind of look to do with this. This right here is the NYX Worth the Hype. I don't know if this is an eyeliner or a mascara. Okay, this is a mascara, and I've never tried this one. So definitely excited to try that one as well. That is everything in the box, guys. That is everything I showed you guys. Really excited. Thank you, Tiffany, for all the goodies. I can't wait to do a get ready with me using all these products, and hopefully you got your package already. And if you did, let me know, and let's set up a time to do our get ready with me's. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my family, welcome. If you're from Tiffany's family, then welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Don't forget, like I said, on my Instagram, you guys, I am doing monthly giveaways, and you are going to freak when you see what I'm giving away. And here on my YouTube channel, I do weekly, every Saturday, I do weekly Shop My Stash giveaways. It's kind of like what Tiffany does on her channel with her Sunday, Sample Sunday. She does her little giveaways. On Saturdays here on my channel, I do my little giveaways. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say I love you guys to pieces, and please make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!